made Burke's philosophy. Then there are philosophies like Jung's philosophy. So those philosophies were based on the fact of conflict. There are three things. One is self, ego, and superego. When the self, ego, and superego conflicts with each other, then only personality grows. Human being matures, and that is the only way to growth. So this philosophy existed in the Western world for long time, huge time. So it was accepted practice, and people think that only way to grow is to have conflict among the ego, self, and superego. There is no other way to be mature and grow. So if you see, so this is like bringing the minimalistic view of human nature, where we are highlighting the negativity, that only if there is a conflict, only if people fail and they learn and then they grow. In corporate world, everyone knows that what is the best learning. Best learning is when we fail, then only you learn the most. Right? So this is the philosophy which existed in Western world as well as in today's corporate world. But when Thakur was there, he had a different philosophy. He has told that build on the achievements, not on the negativity. So Thakur is a true supreme fulfiller. So anybody who is to come in touch of Thakur, his inherent positivity is to come into focus, which we called as, in Hindi we called Vaishishta. So there is one short story. So there was a true devotee of Thakur whose son was not inclined to studies. He was always watching movies and used to spend his time just watching movies. And his father came to Thakur. ঠাকুর, আমার ছেলে তো খালি সিনেমা দেখেই টাইম কাটিয়ে দেয়, পড়াশোনা করে না, কি করবো? Then Thakur told him, then ask him to come to me and narrate me the story. After watching the movie, come to me and narrate me the story. So he used to do like that for some time. And then Thakur told him, okay, তুই অনেক সিনেমা দেখেছিস, তুই একটা এখন সিনেমার উপর একটা বই লিখে ফেল। And then বই লিখবি, তারপরে নেক্সট সিনেমা দেখবি, তার আগে নেক্সট সিনেমা দেখতে যাবি না। Then he told, okay. So what happened? The boy who was watching movie every day, then he has to give a pause. He has to watch movie, then he has to narrate that to Thakur, or he has to write that in a article, and after that he has to give to Thakur, and then he has to go to next movie. So it increased. The time increased. So he was not watching movie every day. And also he started writing. His writing skills started developing. And after quite long time, then Thakur told, তুই তো এত সিনেমা দেখছিস, এত সিনেমা দেখে আমাকে দেখাচ্ছিস, এখন তুই নিজের একটা কিছু লিখ, নিজের একটা নোবেল লিখ। হ্যাঁ, দেন বলছে আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, আমি চেষ্টা করবো। So what happened? Again the time enlarged. So he stopped watching movies. Now to write his novel, he will easily need 3 months, 4 months, or 6 months. So in 6 months, he was writing novel. And after a long time, he gave that novel to Thakur. And then once the person from film industry came to visit him, and then he told that Thakur, আমি একটা সিনেমা বানাতে চাই, স্ক্রিপ্ট রাইটার কে আছে নাকি? Then Thakur gave him that book. Just see this, এটা দেখো, এটা তোমাদের কাজে লাগবে নাকি? Then the film producer got too much surprised. এটা কে লিখেছে? আমরা তো জানি না এত। ওই ছেলে লিখেছে, ওই 17 বছরের ছেলেটা লিখেছে। So this is how Thakur transforms a human being. So his father never knew that he would become a writer. His father would have wanted him to become engineer, doctor, or lawyer. But only because he was in touch with Thakur, his inherent potential comes into picture. So that is our Sri Thakur. So So he is not telling that growth can happen only through conflict. Growth can happen if you know what is your strength and work on those strengths. So this is one of the biggest difference between Western philosophy and Sri Sri Thakur. So, so there are a lot of other philosophical differences. Why Western people are now following Sri Sri Thakur, and there are lot of eminent personalities like Carey Price, Hauserman. They have accepted Thakur and they have started propagating Thakur in United States. So I will not take too much time because time is limited, but there are a lot of things, a lot of differences which Thakur has with the Western philosophy and why Westerns have started following Sri Sri Thakur. So I will not take too much time. And recently, Avinda has given some instruction in Hyderabad when lot of Gurus visited Hyderabad satsang. So he has told that how the next Diksha Divas we have to celebrate, and immediate work for each Upajana Kendra is we have to collect everyone's postal address, WhatsApp number and the real number and the mobile number,